How to get Real Debrid API Key, full walkthrough for apps and add-ons. So, want smoother streaming with a Real Debrid in 2025, here's the full walkthrough to get your API key and set it up in apps and add-ons. So, Real Debrid is a premium service that unlocks high-quality streaming links. To connect it with apps like Kodi or Streamio, you'll need an API key. Get started, go ahead and log into your Real Debrid account. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the My Account section. So click on this, and that will take you into your account section. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the API section in here. So look for that API. And then once you find your API, go ahead and copy it so you can also set up OAuth for more secure integrations and then paste that API key into your app settings. So in Kodi, go to Accounts, head over to Real Debrid, and in Streamio, install the Real Debrid add-on. In Syncler, enter it under Premium Services. Use OAuth whenever possible and never share your key and rotate it if compromised. Always keep your add-ons updated. Getting your Real Debrid API key is quick and easy. So once you set up, you'll enjoy faster, higher quality streams across all your apps. And that is the Real Debrid API key setup for 2025. Which app will you connect first?